Good afternoon children, welcome back to EVS subject. This is continuation of lesson number 6, variety of food. In the previous class I already explained about this lesson. Today we are going to complete some activities which is related to this lesson. Okay. Let us start the textbook work. See children, here page number 56. Write the names of other grains that you know. Okay. First one, barley, millets, corn, oats, brown rice, sunflower seeds, groundnut, green gram, cereals, black rice. Okay. So, write these names of grains and complete this activity. And next turn the page number 57. One more activity is there here. What did you eat yesterday? Write it in this plate. Okay. I ate yesterday, that is roti, dal fry, curd, chutney, rice, sambar, pickle, papad. Okay. So, what you ate yesterday, that you write here. So, complete this activity. Okay. And see here, make a list of the food items that are in your plate and your friend's plate. See, in my plate, roti, rice, sambar, dal fry, curd. Okay. And in my friend plate, chapati, pulao, kurma, jamun, buttermilk. Okay. Like this, you complete this activity. Okay. See, next page number 58. Write the basic food materials used to prepare these food items. See here, food items and basic food materials. Already one example they given. See here, roti. Roti, from which material you will prepare? So, by the help of jowar, you will prepare the roti, isn't it? Okay, like that. So, write here food items and basic food materials also you complete in the B part. So, first one, chapati. Chapati we will prepare by wheat. Upma we will prepare by semolina or suji. Like this, you complete this activity. Pulao by rice, puri by wheat, idli by suji or rice, dosa, rice. Vermicelli paisam, vermicelli, juice, apple or orange, plain rice by rice, curry by dal, vegetable. So, like this you complete this activity. Okay. One more activity is there. See here. Once again observe the list that you have prepared. Get clues from it and fill in the blanks. See here. They already given here rice. From the rice, which items you will prepare, that you write here. See, for one example they given already. From the rice, we will prepare cooked rice. Okay, like this you will complete this activity. See, from the rice we will prepare dosa, veg biryani, pongal, idli, pulao. These all items we will prepare by the rice. With the help of rice, we will prepare all these items. Okay, like this. One more they given here. From the wheat, which items you will prepare? See, from the wheat we will prepare chapati, paratha, veg puff, biscuits, pancake, puri. These all are the items we will prepare with the help of wheat. Next, turn the page children. From the vegetables, which dish you prepare? See, from the vegetable we will prepare salad, sandwich, kurma, gobi manchuri, upma, pulao. So, from the milk, which items you will get? Cheese, kulfi, butter, curd, ice cream, paneer. And from the tur dal, which items you will prepare? From the tur dal, we will prepare sambar, dal fry, dalcha, dal dokla, rasam, pancake. These all are the items we prepare by the tur dal. With the help of tur dal, we will prepare all these items. Also, you complete this activity. Okay, see here children, one more activity. Classify the food items that are available in your place as plant source and animal source. See here, plant source. What we will get from the plants? We will get from the plants vegetables, fruits, medicines, pulses, food grains, oil, cereals. These all we will get from the plants. Okay, like this. From the animals, what we will get children? From the animals we will get milk, ghee, meat, egg, wool, medicines, cod liver oil. These all we will get from the animals. So, These all we will call plant source and these all we will call animal source. Okay. Next, one more activity here. One more activity they given here. So read this activity. Observe the children of different classes eating during the midday meals in your school. Write your observation here. See, in the midday meals in your school, what you eat? See, some will bring roti, chapati, palav, sandwich, upma, rice and sambar, paratha, dosa, idli, puri, etc. Okay, like this you complete this activity. Okay, next turn the page. See what two question answers they given here. What is the food of a baby? The food of a baby is milk. One more question is there here. Can you live drinking milk only? No. We need all the variety of food. Then only we will get all the nutrients. So next, one more activity. You have learnt in the previous class that animals also need food. Yes, right. Animals also need food. So some animals are given below. Write their food in the space given. See, some animals name they given. So write their food, what they eat. Okay. Okay. Let us start this activity. Dog. Dog will eat meat. Cat, milk. Cow, grass. Monkey, banana. Hen, food grains. Bandicoot, food grains. Mosquito, blood of humans. Lizard, insects. Bear, jackfruit. Tiger, flesh of other animals. Hawk, flesh. Snake, rat or frog. Fish, insects. Deer, grass and plants. Frog, flies and insects. Bichon, grass and plants. So, like this you complete this activity. One more activity is there here, is there children here. So, name of the, write the names of the domestic animals you know and the food given to them. See which animals you know, no? That animals names you write and which food you are giving to those animals. So, name of the animals. Okay, first one cow. For cow what you will give? Grass. And second cat. For cat what you will give? Milk. And third bichon. For bichon what you will give? Grass and plants. Hen. For hen what you will give? Food grains. And last one dog. For dog what you will give? Meat. Okay, like this you complete all these activities in your textbook only. And notes I will give you in the next class. Thank you children.